Need to grab the exact color code from anything on your screen instantly? Whether you're a designer, developer, or just curious, Windows 11 actually has a built-in tool for that. You just need to activate it. Here's how. Start by downloading Microsoft PowerToys. It's free, and you'll find it on the Microsoft Store or the official website. Once installed, open the app. On the left menu, scroll to Color Picker under System Utilities. Now, just flip the switch to turn it on. You'll see the default shortcut, Windows plus Shift plus C. Hit that combo, and your mouse instantly becomes a color picking tool. Click anywhere on your screen, and boom, the exact color code is copied straight to your clipboard. No more guessing, no more screenshots, no more third-party apps. It's fast, built into Windows 11, and completely free. Give it a try. You'll wonder how you ever worked without it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.